How's it guys? I'm Angela from Suzuki Bassonia and this is a Suzuki Grand Vitara. If you're looking for a stylish, reliable and fuel efficient vehicle, this one's for you. Let me tell you about a few features on the Grand Vitara. You get the two-tone diamond cut mag wheels, keyless access, push start, your heads-up display, 360 reverse camera, 9-inch color touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have your sunroof, come and have a look at this stunning big spacious boot. Comes standard with a full-size spare wheel, tools triangle, you have the cruise control, you have your controls on your steering wheel, your volume, and to skip to any other song or radio station. You've got your mute button as well, you've got your Bluetooth where you can answer and cut the calls, as well as your voice activation. I want to tell you about some safety features on the Suzuki Grand Vitara. So you have the driver monitoring system, which helps keep an eye on your alertness. You have the lane keep assist, which helps keep you in your lane safety. Your blind spot monitoring, which helps keep an eye on vehicles out of your vision. You also have the dual sensor braking support, which assists with extra braking and added safety, because your safety comes first. The average fuel consumption on the Suzuki Grand Vitara is 6 litres per 100 kilometres. It has a 45 litre tank and will give you 750 kilometres of adventure on a full tank. Now that's peace of mind guaranteed. Come and see me guys, my name's Angela, I'm from Suzuki Bassonia, and let's get you behind the wheel of one of these stunning Grand Vitaras today. Like and share to follow. Thanks guys, see you later.